It's May the 29th, and if you look real close, you can see one of the firstborn for the year 2006. And I'm sure that my sister will have it named by the end of the day.
Smaller than that, do they?
Nope, they don't. This precious little thing. Can barely even tell it's there. Isn't that something, Ron? Isn't that something?
I gotta get in front of you here.
Okay.
I want to take a picture of this.
Send it to Krista?
Yeah.
I can send
How
it.
do you do this? How do I get the light back on in here?
Just turn it back on.